how can I be my best self? My best self. That means I'm in competition with who? Myself. That means what marketing skills can I learn? What sales skills? What conflict resolution? Financial stewardship? Communication? Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to be talking about a woman who slid into my Facebook messages. That's right, because she felt discouraged and stuck in her own doTERRA business, and she's on a different team, but I show the love to everyone. That's right. So, if you're on a different team, I love you. And if you're not on a team, I still love you. Alright, so without further ado, here's what she says. She says, "Hello, Lance! Exclamation point, exclamation point. I've learned some things from your YouTube videos about doTERRA. I am a wellness advocate, but are you still selling doTERRA? Question mark. Thanks for your videos." So I don't know what made her believe I wasn't, but technically I'm not, because I serve doTERRA, not sell it. I like the word serve because it's more of like understanding what people's needs and goals are and offering a solution. I know that's kind of like a package term, but selling just sounds so transactional, so dry, like just swipe and go, you know. It's not just that. But anyways, I said, that's awesome. Yes, I teach and share. You? So yeah, little, you know, qualification on that. But yeah, she says, yes, multiple exclamation points. Just get discouraged sometimes as I'm still elite, ... but can have an OV or organizational volume, which is also a form of sales, up to 22,000 sometimes. I guess it is encouraging to know others do make it in the biz. So yeah, I mean, if you go through the leadership book, that's going to have a lot of people who have made it on a lot of ranks, right? Silver and above. And it's really cool to see people making 5, 6, 7 figures in doTERRA. And it's like, I have to pinch myself sometimes. It's like, man, they're just offering oils to people and they're doing well. And a residual income-based business model that's awesome. Anyways, I said, I feel you on that one, because I do. I feel like having rank and income goals are great, but I am encouraged to see what skills, example, like marketing, sales, communication, conflict resolution, financial stewardship, etc., I can gain along the way and focus on the process, since sometimes the results don't happen as quickly as other leaders, but the one thing no one can take away from you is who you become along the way. There's lots of ways one can be successful in doTERRA, and it doesn't always include rank and income, is my main point. And then her response was, thanks, good reflection. And my comment back was, I just liked her comment, because you can hit the little like button in Facebook message and just, yeah. Okay, so what's the lesson learned? Well, a lot of the lessons were actually just taught and learned in my previous statement, but that's the truth. That came from the heart, because you really should focus on the process, and if there is a lack of results in the timeliness that you want, then really, what can you learn from that? Lessons learned, to summarize: focus on the process, learn from the results, and never give up on your dreams, even if it takes you 5, 10, 20 years to get there. If you get to wake up every day and do what you love, and your bills are paid, and maybe you earn a little profit too, whether it's on the side or on the top, you're living a dream, okay? You are living the dream. And I think it's so important to try not to compare ourselves to other people, but use the success of others to motivate and inspire us. It's hard not to compare ourselves, especially if they've reached higher ranks or income goals. And I know I've struggled with that too sometimes. I'm like, man, they grew so fast, or they grew that. But I'm like, for me, I'm like, but that's not my number one goal. My number one goal isn't to be this rank and make this much money, although that's nice, right? It's how can I be my best self? My best self. That means I'm in competition with who? Myself. That means what marketing skills can I learn? What sales skills? What conflict resolution? Financial stewardship? Communication, right? How can I become a better Christ follower? There's so many aspects that I need to grow in and am trying to grow in, and that's really what's important. And that's what I focus on. And as things rise and business grows and, you know, rank advances and stuff, that's a side effect. That's a bonus, right? I just want to become my best self and the best version of myself. Live my best life. And I want that for other people too, you know, whether that's in doTERRA, out doTERRA, in their own business, affiliate marketing, informational marketing, network marketing, corporation, mom and pop's franchise, whatever it is. right? How can you just be your best self? Focus on the process, learn from the results, and just, regardless of how long it takes. Obviously, you got to get your bills paid, so you might have to do a little something, whether it's full-time job or part-time jobs, right? Plural. But whatever it is, get that side hustle going, get something you're passionate about until you move from no income to low income to high income with that passion you have. Until that happens, just enjoy it. Enjoy the ride, and yeah. Okay, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out some of the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.